I'm signing in from Everest Rock Groups. So today I'm going to make a video about the various scholarship opportunities available to the Nepalese students. As I myself is a scholarship student, I know its value and the ease it brings to the students' academic life. Today I'm going to explain superficially about the scholarship opportunities available in 8 different countries, namely Italy, China, India, Turkey, Korea, Japan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka for bachelor's, master's and PhD level in various subjects. So if you want to know in detail about the scholarship opportunities in the above mentioned countries, drop us a comment so that we can make a new separate video for you. First of all, I am going to talk about the Italy. Though Italy looks extravagant and expensive, education over there is really cheap and scholarships are available for the international students. Generally, there are two types of scholarships available, national scholarship and regional scholarship. Another interesting fact is Italy provides scholarship based on your economic status as well. You have to maintain your grade throughout your study period to continue the scholarship. China is now becoming a new study destination for the international students. There are two categories of scholarships available for the Nepalese students in China. Chinese government scholarship program and One Belt One Road scholarship program. One Belt One Road scholarship program are for those countries who are the signatory of the One Belt One Road concept initiated by China. Another is India. India provides scholarship to Nepalese students to study in India for bachelor's, master's and PhD level. Also, it provides a stipend to the marginalized students who are studying in plus 2 as well as undergraduate level in Nepal. Turkey. Turkish government scholarships are available for the Nepalese students. Many of us don't know about these scholarships. The scholarship named Turkey Bulsari Scholarship can be applied online. The application is open generally at the January of every year. Next is the scholarship provided by Korea. There is a scholarship named Korean Government Scholarship Program provided by the Korean government. The details of the scholarship can be found out at Study in Korea website, as well as in the website of the host country's embassy. Japan provides scholarship to deserving students through mixed scholarship program. The details of the scholarship can be found out at the official website of Japanese embassy in Kathmandu. Bangladesh has become an educational hub for Nepalese students to study medical and engineering. Apart from these two subjects, various other subjects like agriculture, pharmacy, radiography can also be studied there. Scholarship is provided for the meritorious students based on their academic rankings and merit through the Bangladesh embassy. Last but not the least, Sri Lanka. There is a scholarship named Sri Lankan Government Presidential Scholarship for foreign students to study undergraduate courses inside the island. There is another scholarship provided by Sri Lankan Institute of Information Technology to study the undergraduate courses at the university. And for the master's level, there is another scholarship provided by South Asian Foundation to study MSc in Water Resource Management at University of Moratuwa. Thank you. This much for today. We will be coming up with a new video in the days to come. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.